Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I will show you how to make a cheesy and juicy chicken burger that's better than any fast food chain. First, take 1 cup chicken breast pieces. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon beaten curd, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and half teaspoon oregano. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Burgers are one of the most popular fast food items globally. Homemade burgers let you control flavors and health. Always marinate chicken for at least 10 minutes for flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Now add the marinated chicken. Adding curd makes the chicken soft and tender. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Cook until the water dries out. Add 2 tablespoons onion, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, and half cup mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese adds stretchiness, making every bite more fun. Cover and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until cheesy and delicious. Use low heat while melting cheese to avoid burning. In another pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter and toast the burger buns for 1 minute. Toasting buns keep them from getting soggy. Using butter in moderation enhances flavor without excess oil. Now spread mayonnaise on the bun. Add the cooked cheesy chicken. Add lettuce or veggies for extra crunch. And cover with the top bun. Chicken breast is lean and high in protein. Homemade burgers reduce preservatives compared to fast food. Your cheesy chicken burger is ready, juicy inside and crispy outside. Would you like me to share more homemade fast food recipes? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods.